Hello humans! Welcome to the Less Indented channel on the internet. Today I will try to solve some coding problems on the CodeWars site to finally try and learn to code properly.
Hopefully.
In the unlikely case you find this video interesting, I could make a series out of it. So let's start. I'm Artificial Marvin and you're watching The Nerd Inside. Today we will try to solve 4 different problems with random difficulties. First of all, Al will explain to us what an algorithm actually is.
Oh, come on. I just explained the same thing a couple of videos ago.
Come on Al, I don't pay you for nothing.
You don't pay me at all. Okay, fine. An algorithm is a detailed step-by-step instruction, set, or formula, for solving a problem. The term derives from the Latin transcription of the mathematician's name Muhammad ibn
Okay Al, I didn't ask you the story of your life.
Humans.
In the first problem, starting with a positive number as input, I had to sort its integers in ascending order to generate a new number. To deal with it, I decided to split this problem into a list of simpler steps. In this way, I have to deal with smaller problems, and solving them one by one, I can solve the whole task way easier. So, this is my pseudocode. In other words, the to-do list I have to check to solve the whole problem, making sure that the number I got is positive. Separating the integers of which the whole number is made of, for every number finding the higher one and putting it at the end of the chain in my variable. Now that I defined the rough logic of my algorithm, I can start to code. So let's begin. Okay, this was pretty straightforward. So, at the end, my logic worked pretty fine. Next. So this time I was asked to code a program that will calculate the sum of all the numbers in a selected row of this triangular stack sequence of odd numbers. So I tried very hard to find the logic to solve this problem in the smartest way possible, just analyzing the construction of the triangle.
But you know me, I'm lazy.
For this reason, after several tries, I started to think that this was exactly the problem that would appeal to a math nerd. So after a little research, I found a very nice formula that solved this problem. In theory, I just need to copy-paste this formula in my code to get the result. In order for it to work, I need to transform a natural series of numbers into an odd one. So I coded the function I needed using just another simple math formula. And thanks to the magic powers of math, the second katas is done. The third one was really easy. I've been asked to square every digit of a given number to generate a new number. I just used basically the same approach of the first katas to separate the digits. And then I just had to square every digit and join the result in one string. Having a list of numbers, my task is to sort odd numbers, leaving the even numbers on their places. To solve these katas, I had to track the numbers I was going to sort and their respective position in their lists, a sort of address table. So I created a list to contain these informations. Then I created a second list in which I put just the odd numbers I detected. Thanks to this approach, I managed to sort just the number I put in the second list. Knowing the new and the old position of every number, I could switch the odd numbers in the sequence I got after the sorting in the original list. So after all this nerdiness, I decided to use all this data to make an artistic-ish visualization. After all, even robots care about aesthetic. To be clear, the goal of this video isn't to create a beautiful work of art. I just want to plug in the numbers I generated before to see what will come out, not thinking too much about what I'm doing. So I completely shut down my brain for some time, and when I woke up again, I just thought that all I got from this experimentation was
a pile of crap.
In fact, I could get the same exact result using just random numbers. So I tried to better the code as much as possible, and this is what I got. Another pile of crap. I'm still not satisfied with this result, so I decided that using Brain isn't a bad idea after all. I need this visualization to have more structure, so I tried to base it on a solid and defined color palette. Also, I tried to obtain a more interesting distribution of detail than just randomness. Random noise is boring. This is my final result. I know I could do better, but I like it after all. Maybe next time I'll do better.
At the supermarket I saw a man and a woman wrapped in a barcode. I asked, "Are you two an item?" A man walks into an Apple store and farts. Everyone is really angry and they're all shouting, so he says, "It's not my fault, you don't have windows." Velcro. What a ripoff. The very first doctor of dermatology had to start from scratch.
If you liked this video, please give me a like and subscribe to this channel. As always, thank you for watching. Bye humans!